As we teach this, though, I really have to have it so that you're not talking. But please keep in mind, when it's talk time, or you can talk about anything you want. See, when I do talk time in my classroom, I tell kids, you can talk about whatever you want. You can roam around the room, you can get up, you can change your seat, I don't care. In the beginning, it's really hard to get them back. But if you do it all the time, and I have many teachers who have done this, and they say, oh my gosh, in the beginning it was terrible, but I kept it up, and now it's working beautifully. So I put a sign up on the wall, depending upon the age of the kids. And I put like talk time, and I put like a clock or whatever. And I say, all right, guys, talk time. Because if I taught you about, the origin of dinosaurs or whatever it might be, and now I put talk time on the board. I don't give you a worksheet to complete about dinosaurs. I give you talk time in between. Because according to science, neuroscience, the brain needs time to rest when it learns something new. It can't go right into an activity. I can't just teach you this and say, okay, here's the workbook. That if you need time to rest and consolidate what you just learned, you turn your attention someplace else. So I do talk time. I put out 4 minutes on the board, and I say, guys, 4 minutes talk time. They know talk time is. Get up, go talk to people, whatever it might be. And then okay, talk time's over. Then I come back and say, now, let's think about, remember we talked about the tails and the claws and the reason why the evolvement happened and blah, blah, blah. Now let's do that work together. And I get a whole lot better behavior out of them if I do that. If they know they're going to be able to talk several times throughout the day, they can hang on to it. And I also get better results on maybe the work that I'm asking them to do because I gave them a break, gave them a rest. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.